Hello there, it's the Immortal R here, and today I'm here with another 24-hour challenge. I am doing the Don't Speak challenge for 24 hours. It is currently 9:22 at night, so I'm going to be finishing the challenge by 9:25 on Thursday without saying a word. Alright guys, this is going to be a really tough challenge for me, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you really enjoy the video, I can do a part 2 if we can reach up to 10,000 likes. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share. Alright guys, we're going to be ready in 3, 2, 1. Oh, hi guys. So, it is now 9:25. Well, it's past 9:25, and that means I completed 24 hours without any speaking, any talking. The reason why I wrote on a piece of paper is because this is what I'm trying to say. But since I'm doing a challenge, I am not supposed to say a word. Otherwise, the challenge will not be complete. So, I would like to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I will upload a lot of awesome videos in the future. Don't forget to turn on post notifications and share. And I will be uploading awesome videos every week. And next week, I will upload something that's really cool. Alright guys, this is the Immortal R here. Peace!